The palette that we use are choice of colors, and this is another palette, a choice of colors that I'm suggesting. It's a limited palette. It has largely primary colors on it. It has 4 colors plus white, as opposed to the standard sort of 10-color palette that I offer that we've talked about previously. The colors are alizarin crimson, cadmium orange, cadmium yellow light, ultramarine blue deep, and then it's arranged with alizarin, the orange. You mix the red in between. It's between the yellow and the blue. Of course, you mix a variety of greens, and you put another little squirt of alizarin over here so that you have essentially the chromatic rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and we skip indigo. Indigo is a bluer violet, and then violet is a redder violet. So we've got indigo, violet, we've got a blue, green, yellow, orange, red, and then a cold red on the end. The 4 colors, and of course the illustration here, the primary colors red, yellow, blue, makes the secondary colors orange, green, and violet. And I like to use this triad because it clearly places colors opposite one another on the color wheel. Now you mix those complements here, 2 complements, orange and blue. To reduce the chroma of any given color, you add the complement. And here you can make all of the neutral colors, the convenience colors that we often buy in tube colors, the burnt siennas and terra rosa and ultramarine, or rather burnt umber. All of those colors can be mixed out of this complement of orange and blue. Addition of a little bit of yellow or pure yellow into this, you can make a yellow ochre that has really great tinting strength compared to a normal weak tinting strength yellow ochre that you'd buy in a tube.
Good question. I get in trouble sometimes when I'm painting as far as trying to reduce the value of it. It gets too flat, or darken it and it gets too muddy. Is there any tricks on increasing the value?
Well, the discussion's really kind of more about chroma rather than value. And of course, if you're trying to raise the value in a warm area, you have to resist using white. You have to use yellow instead of white. If you're trying to raise the value in a cool area, well, then you want to use white to raise that value.
Oh, okay.
Cool. With regards to reducing the chroma, if you've painted an apple and it looks too red, well, you just put a little bit of green in your mixture, and that will dull down reduce the chroma, dull it, gray it, however you want to say it. It will reduce the chroma of that color and get you closer to the color you want.
Any trick on, sometimes I'll paint the apple and it's not red enough, and I use my red.
Then you're in trouble. You got to go buy a new red because you don't have one bright enough. I mean, you can't get any brighter in this palette than out here. And so what one has to do is